everyone, what's up? It is Melissa here. Thank you for coming back to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be doing 3 DIYs that are so super easy. They're all from the Dollar Tree, and I'm serious, like anyone can do these. If I could do these, basically anyone could do these. These were so much fun to make. I hope that you guys have a lot of fun making them too. If you do end up making them, let me know down below in the comments how yours turned out, and let's go ahead and get started, and let me show you how to make these 3 really inexpensive, really super easy DIYs. Alright guys, so first I'm just going to start out by showing you what I picked up at the Dollar Tree. And I did get these 2 stovetop covers from the Dollar Tree. They came 2 to a pack. And then I also just got these flat candle holders and then the actual candlesticks. You will need 4 of these, 2 of the glass plates, and then 2 of the stovetop covers. Alright guys, and I just took some silver Rust-Oleum paint and spray painted the 2 stovetop covers. I didn't film myself spray painting them, but this is what they look like now that they are silver. And I also painted 2 of the candlesticks silver to match. And next I'm going to show you the E6000 glue that I'll be using to put all of this together. I actually got this at Dollar General. My Dollar Tree doesn't carry this. I don't know if Dollar Tree actually carries this at all. But what I'm going to do is put a good amount of the E6000 on both pieces, and I'm going to stick these together. Now keep in mind that E6000 glue does not dry as fast as hot glue, like with your hot glue gun. So you are going to want this to sit aside and dry before you go any further with your project. Now I'm just measuring around each side so that I can get my candlestick directly in the center. And here you will see I'm just applying some more E6000, and then I'm going to apply the smaller stovetop cover to the top. And I actually put this on, like, say, upside down compared to the other one because I like the way it looked better this way. So now I'm just going to center this up, and we're going to let this bad boy dry. And next I just picked up a pack of those 3 pumpkins, the small ones with the clips in the bottom, and I'm just painting mine pink. And I got this paint from Walmart. If you go in the craft section, they have these little bottles of paint for only 50 cents each. So I'm going ahead and painting my small pumpkins pink. And then next I'm going to go outside and spray another one of my Dollar Tree pumpkins with my silver Rust-Oleum paint. I picked up these little sticker gems, like little diamonds from Dollar General. They were $1 for this pack, and I'm just going to bling up my pumpkin, just kind of give it a little bit more life than just plain silver. And moving on to my little number 2 DIY, I just spray painted the candle trays white, and also the candlesticks that are going to go with the tray. Spray painted those white as well. I'm going to use my E6000, and we are going to make like a cupcake plate for this. For our third and final DIY for this video, I just got a frame from Dollar Tree. This one is 11 by 14, and you're just going to want to take all of the backing out. And I also picked up this contact paper from Dollar Tree. I thought it was really pretty, and for only $1, it was a great find. It is adhesive. You can unstick it, but I just chose to cut it out because it's just going into my picture frame. I was not really happy with the color of the frame, but this is the only color that they had in this size of frame. So I am just going to go ahead and paint that kind of white and make it look a little bit distressed, because I think it'll give it a more farmhouse rustic look. And now I'm just going to take this stick wreath that I also found at Dollar Tree, which I thought was a great find. I think this is a great looking wreath for $1. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the center of the picture. I also picked up these galvanized words from Dollar Tree. They come 3 to a pack. If you have not seen these already, they are still available. I would get my hands on them if I were you. And so now I'm just going to E6000 everything down. I saw these beautiful florals at Dollar Tree as well, and I wasn't even sure what I was going to do with them, but when I saw them, I knew that I had to have them and that I would have ideas for them once I got them home. So I'm just actually going ahead and gluing these to the wreath. I also picked up this chevron burlap ribbon, and this is what I'm going to use to attach the wreath to the picture frame so that it will hang down right in the middle of the frame. And there you have it, you guys. Those are all so super simple, very, very affordable, and every single thing you see on this table, even the jute twine I did put around the little cupcake stands, everything you see here came from Dollar Tree except for the eucalyptus greenery that you see, and the pumpkin pecan waffle is from Bath & Body Works. I hope that you guys found this video helpful and that you can do these projects very easily by following this video. Thanks again for hanging out with me today, you guys. I love you all, and I will see you in tomorrow's video.